Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm excited to share a natural hair haul with you. So if you are just as nosy as me and you're curious on what I bought, please continue to watch. And if you like content like this from me, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below if some of these products are some of your favorites and if you've tried them. And let's jump into this haul. Hey guys, so if you hear a little baby, that's my little baby. I just had a baby 7 weeks ago. Get back in the swing of doing videos. I had some videos pre-planned. Okay guys, let's jump into the products. So I picked up pretty much everything from Sally's Beauty. A 30% off sale last month in February. I think maybe it was for Black History Month, maybe. But I took advantage of it. I was like, oh, 30% for natural hair products is almost like 50%. So I'm going to share all the products I got. I also got some items from Walgreens and Ulta. I picked up the Cream of Nature Intensive Conditioning Treatment, and this is with argan oil. This is a protein treatment. I used to use this when I had relaxed hair, so I just went ahead and picked this up. The Affinity Curlific Moisture Rich Leave-In is one of my favorite spray leave-ins. I love Affinity. I actually picked up the Cream of Nature because Affinity was completely sold out. The one I normally use, the 2 Keratin Reconstructor Elements Mega Silk Olive Oil Heat Protection Spray, and this is just a heat protectant, and I used to use this back in the day, and I just needed to get a heat protectant. And I really like this one. This one gives you a lot of shine. Also from Sally's Beauty, I picked up some As I Am products. Love As I Am. I've used this before and I love this leave-in. This is the Long and Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Go Yogurt. Go Yogurt. And this is really moisturizing. This is a really good leave-in. I really adore this one. Coconut Co-Wash, and this is a cleansing cream conditioner, and I actually use this in my daughter's hair, and she has type 4 hair, and this really works well when I'm not shampooing her hair. It also detangles her hair really well and moisturizes it, so I really love this. When I started my natural hair journey, I used this on my own hair, and this is a really good OG product. Like, this is my number one shampoo. The Camille Rose Natural Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. This shampoo is moisturizing. It's not going to strip your hair. It's going to help you detangle, refresh your scalp. Some trouble. It is late. Next product I got was the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Curling Buttercream, and I got this from my daughter. This is one of the stylers I use in her hair. I love this because it's got a lot of slip, it's easy to tangle her hair, and it's moisturizing. And this is also another product I used to use in my hair when I first became a natural, and I actually love this. You can pair this with WETLINE gel. It's a good combination. And to mention WETLINE gel, I picked up a couple of these, and this is one of my top gels I use in my hair to style it in different styles. And I actually have a video comparing the new version, the old version of this gel, and I will link it in the cards and down below. If you want your wash and go popping, I mean popping, sis, you got to pick up Kinky-curly. These products, and actually combined with the Come Clean shampoo, this whole system, that trio, works so well. And actually this is a wash and go. I shampooed with the Come Clean shampoo, which is a clarifier, and it doesn't strip your hair, but it gets it clean. Then I went in with the Not Today leave-in conditioner. This is very moisturizing, easy to detangle your hair with. It gives a good amount of moisture right under the gel, and the curling custard is moisturizing on its own. I love to do my wash and goes in the shower. I cannot speak any higher about these products. These products are bomb. So if you ask me about a wash and go, I'm gonna recommend these. Excited to try this. Is a new product. So far, everything I've shown you guys, I've used, I've repurchased, I love. This is the Dew Mousse Def Texture Foam. So I'm excited to try this brand. I'm excited to try this mousse for the first time. New products from the African Pride line and some ones I absolutely love. The African Pride Moisture Miracle line is so good. And one of the great things that makes it so good is it's so affordable. The products are under $5 and they are wonderful. First, I picked up 3 of these. The Moisture Miracle, the Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisture and Define Curling Cream. And you may have seen me use this in my braid out video here on my channel. I'm going to link that video as well. Very moisturizing, gives a light hold. It does pair with the WETLINE gel. I did some mini twists with that combination and it worked out perfectly. Highly recommend this. Really good product. Seed oil and shea butter curl defining gel cream. And this, I have tried this product. I used it with the wash and go. This is so good. The only thing I don't like about it is 6 ounces. So with me and my hair, I can go through one of these for one styling. Just because I like to make sure my hair is coated. But this gave great definition. It doesn't have a hard hold. It's a really light hold. So if you're doing like a style like I did today, or if you're doing like a faux hawk, this would be a great styler. And it smells good. I picked up a couple of these. This is really nice. It's a gel cream, so it's like it's very interesting. Next up, from the Moisture Miracle line, I haven't tried this product, but I'm very excited. I do like mousses for braid outs and twist outs. For wash and goes, I really love gels. But this is the Rose Water and Argan Oil Soft and Smooth Curl Mousse. So I definitely have high hopes for this. Everything I've tried from this line so far, I really love. Next up from the line, I have tried this and I do like this. This is the leave-in conditioner, the spray, the coconut milk and honey, hydrate and shine. It does hydrate and it does shine. So I really like this too. I mean, African Pride really hit it out the park with this line. Definitely recommend it. I haven't tried heat detox mask or the leave-in the cream. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the haul, guys. Really love. I picked up some soultanicals stuff. I picked up the Mango Dip Detangling Slip. So this can be used as a leave-in, a rinse out conditioner, or a moisturizer. Haven't tried this. I'm excited to try it. The Muru Moisture Guru Moisturizer. I'm excited to try that. Can't believe it's not butter. And this is a styler. This is very moisturizing and has a light hold. It smells so good. Definitely recommend this. I picked up my favorite deep conditioner. This is the Afrotastic Curl Elastic Deep Conditioning Treatment. I do have a little rant about this product. I love this product. I can't say anything bad about it, except for what I'm about to say right now. No shade to the brand. I ordered this from Sally's, and I know this was a issue they were having last year, and I actually thought the issue was resolved, and they said the batch was bad, and I ordered 3 of these. So this ain't it. I was so disappointed when I got this, and I had actually forgot that there was an issue with this deep conditioner. If I would have remembered, I wouldn't have probably ordered it from Sally's Beauty. I would have actually ordered it directly from Soultanicals, the brand. So I tried it out in my daughter's hair. It's not the normal thick fluffy consistency that just melts into your hair. It's been runny, so you're using more than what you really should. Like this, for instance, like me, I can use pretty much half this container just for my hair alone. I debated on taking them back. I don't know if I still will. I've used one. I still got 2 others. I just love this deep conditioner. So that's my only complaint. If you do want to try this out, I would just recommend order from the brand directly. Don't get it from Sally's Beauty, because I have no idea how big the batch of this product was and why it's still issue. Even if you read the reviews online, people are really disappointed with the consistency. But I will say, if you get it in its normal state, it is just everything you want in a deep conditioner. But I just have to mention this because this is my channel, and I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. Last but not least, this is the last of my haul. I picked up from Ulta the Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner and the intensive conditioner for tight curls. I will probably actually do a review on this on my channel. I know I'm a little late, but I will definitely try this out. I've seen a lot of videos on these products, so I'm gonna give it a go and see how I like them. So guys, that wraps up my natural hair haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've seen some products that you may want to try, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye guys.